Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick rainy video, I want to talk about what level you need to reach for, so how to get training, and who you ought to be focusing on. It's a good one. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. So on this exceptionally rainy day, where nothing seems to go quite right, I'm wandering through the redwoods in Northern California. And it's interesting, right? Tallest trees in the world. Super tall trees reaching for the sky. They stay strong because they're big and they're tall and they're strong. And that makes me think, how can I compare that to a real estate investing business? And well, it's simple. I notice a lot of times when people are looking for help, when people are looking for training, you're looking for a mentor, a lot of times they aim too high. Like, quite honestly, you see these big guys on Wall Street, or you see the let's see, should I mention names? I don't know. The Warren Buffetts, the Elon Musks, some of these really, really big names, Richard Branson. I think they're too high. They're too far up. That's not the level you're at now. A good training program, a good coach is 1 to 2 levels higher than you. Because when you get 1 to 2 levels higher than you, you can achieve that, you can reach that. That makes sense for where you're at. Now, at some point, if you get to the point where you can get super large, super tall, super high, then by all means, excuse me, then by all means, you'll need to upgrade your coaching. But in the short term, that's not happening. And so what I find is a lot of people sometimes, they read the wrong books, they study the wrong people, they're aiming way too high. They're not at that level. Those problems are not the same as your problems. So you need to focus on closer to the level of where your problems are at. That's when you'll start to solve those problems, and your real estate business and your personal life are going to advance at that point. That's what's going to add to your bottom line profits, not aiming way too high. Because the other thing that happens in a lot of programs is you wind up being the smartest guy in the room, right? If you're the smartest guy or gal in the room, that's not the right room for you anymore. You've outgrown it, and then it's time to move up. And that's what I mean about being about a level or 2 levels higher. You don't want to be a level low, and even sometimes at your own level doesn't really help. That's my tip for today. Make sure when you are getting training, you are within reach of where you want to be. For Traction Real Estate Mentors, it's Tom Zeeb from Northern California, signing off. It's Tom Zeeb from, where am I? Redwood, California. I don't have to recap the tip, do I? Ooh. Here's all the redwoods. Look at that. They're gorgeous.
Oh, he's gonna use that.